Taking all the sunshine, bottle up the rain. Go where the wind blows, let it show the way. Open all the windows, let in all the light. You can pull the stars down, paint the perfect sky. So go and write your song. The world will sing along. Jump in, and we don't know where we'll end up, so you might as well begin. Memories you're making, you frame inside your heart. The middle of a nowhere, so somewhere you can start. So go and write your song. The world will sing along. Oh, life's what you make it. Bottle up the rain. Go where the wind blows, let it show the way. Life's what you make it. Oh, life's what you make it. Oh, it's yours for the taking.
My first crush in season 2. She'd pass me notes and fill our hands with glue. And in my corduroys we'd walk to school. I sat and crossed my legs like Jim would do. She moved away, I was on season 3. It hit my heart so hard I'd hardly speak, but I could find some peace and privacy. A paper company to sail with me. Who are we to wonder where we're going? Who am I to tell me who I am? Let's take it back and take in every moment. Who am I to tell me who I am? I turned down Jameson when I was 12. I spent that Friday night with Steve Carell, the one where Dwight became the head of sales. My 8th grade graduation wished me well. I lost my grandfather in season 6. I watched my mom, she cried and held her kids. My mind was broken up, I couldn't think, so I just hugged her the way my Now the finale's done and I'm alone. I'm on a Netflix trip here on my phone. But who I am is in these episodes. So don't you tell me that it's just a show. Who are we to wonder where we're going? Who am I to tell me who I am? Let's take it back and take in every moment. Who am I to tell me who I am? Who are we to wonder where we're going? Who am I to tell me who I am? Let's take it back and take in every moment. Who am I to tell me who I am? Who am I to tell me who I am?
Roll up your sleeves and face the face is looking right back at me. It's easier to leave it, it's easier to fake it, So I go and I join the free. There's people there that just like me. Everything is gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright. Oh, they're hunting me, and he is not fancy. He just wears black, head to toe. And oh, they're hunting me. So I'll go and I'll change my name, but they're chasing him just like me. Everything is gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be
I went from side to side to tell my travel come alive. Can't wait, the sun is shining, leave the sails and follow my own tide, yeah. There's a screaming in there, not telling me to leave for a while. So for the first time I trust him, right on now I'm gonna ride my own line, oh. I wanna escape and restart all. I wanna escape and restart all.
Away into the wild, I know my aim, I'll dive inside. Can't wait to bury the ruins of my mistakes, to only keep it the truth, yeah. There's a treasure out there, just everyone should just have to choose, yeah. Here it is a wisdom I must say, is that my freedom of mind is gone away. Escape and restart all. I wanna escape and